Alright, what's up guys? Here to introduce you to my 1987 Toyota Corolla GTS. So I originally bought the car in the early 2000s and it pretty much looked exactly like this. It did not come with the wheels, but it did come with the front and rear cookie bumpers along with the zinky lip. It also came with the JDM Redline Coupe taillights. The wheels, though, I purchased these from one of my other AE86s. They are SSR reverse mesh. They are a 15-inch. The specs on the wheel are a 15 by 7.5, -5, all around. So originally it came with a Greddy DD exhaust. I did not like that very much for daily driving. So now it has a HKS Sport exhaust. As far as interior goes, this model has the power windows. The steering wheel setup is a Nardi with a personal long hub as well as a NRG quick release. These pedals are actually from a Lexus IS300, but I believe they were also found on the Toyota MRS. I've got a TRD leather shift knob. It also has the JDM gauge cluster, the analog. This car does have a working cruise control system. It does also have working air conditioning. And this OEM style radio is actually from a early 2000s Toyota Sienna. Here's a look at the rear interior. You can tell that the leather on the seats are torn. I do have replacements, but I have not had a chance to put them in yet. My passenger seat is in fairly good condition. However, my driver's seat has definitely seen better days. And I do have the OEM cup holder. The engine is completely stock. However, this is not the original engine. I did end up replacing the engine when the head gasket blew during my ownership. One thing to note is you'll see that this distributor is actually from a MR2, an AW11 MR2. You could tell because it has the built-in heat shield there. It also has the rubber cover that you normally don't see anymore. And it is a OEM part. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a Toyota OEM part. For the suspension, it has Greddy coilovers. I believe they are the Type S Greddy coilovers. Um, they're not that great, even when they were working good. The reason why I say that is because they are indeed blown. The front left, which is this side, is actually leaking and doesn't do any damping at all. But even when they were new, um, they did not ride as well as one might seem. Now this car came originally two-tone. I did, however, have to repaint the hood and roof and trunk area as the clear coat was pretty much completely gone. The corner lights and headlight eyelids are the JDM versions. Luckily, these are still available and you can get these brand new from the dealer. I have the JSP tow hook that I believe is no longer available. And well, yeah, this is my daily driver. This is what I use pretty much every day to drive. It's very reliable. Have not had an issue with it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you next time.